Hey there, Uber Eats enthusiast. Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to mastering Uber Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Uber Eats order using website. Whether you need to add an item, change something, or update special instructions, it's easy to make changes before your order is confirmed. Let's get started. First, open your Uber Eats website on your favorite web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Browse through the restaurants and add items you want to your cart as usual. Once you have added everything, your cart will pop up showing all your choices. To edit an item, click on the item name. This will take you back to the menu page for that item where you can change the quantity, customize your order, or add special instructions. So we'll just click on edit selections and we will choose none. Then click on save. Remove an item from your cart, simply click a remove button. First, we will update this order and we can remove our order from clicking on the trash can. Finally, proceed to checkout. Edited order will be sent to the restaurant as per your updated instructions. That's it. Editing your Uber Eats order on website is simple and ensures you get exactly what you want. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!